Welcome to Arpa Apps, your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create leads in Arpa CRM. Attention business owners, at Arpa Apps, we are here to help you simplify your daily tasks and supercharge your business. Imagine having all your potential customers neatly organized within one platform. That's exactly what the CRM feature in Arpa Apps does for you. Say goodbye to scattered notes and missed opportunities. With the CRM menu in Arpa Apps, you can effortlessly track interactions, set reminders, and follow up like a pro, all in one convenient place. And it gets even better. Our CRM gives you valuable insights into your customers, helping you understand their needs, preferences, and buying behaviors. With this knowledge, you can tailor your approach, close deals faster, and build lasting relationships. It's not just about sales, it's about nurturing trust and turning leads into loyal customers. Collaboration is seamless too. With Arpa apps, your entire team stays in sync, working smarter and not harder. So let's begin. Either sign in or sign up. Log in using your credentials. Leads refer to potential prospects or contacts that come from various sources. These leads are typically unqualified and have not yet been thoroughly vetted. For example, if you meet someone who expresses interest and says, "Give me a call," this interaction would be considered a lead. Another example would be attending a tech summit and collecting contact information from attendees. These contacts would also be considered leads. To create and manage leads, start by opening the dashboard menu and navigating to the CRM section. Then select Leads. Click on Create Leads to access the default form. This form includes pre-configured fields designed to capture the essential information required for a lead. These fields are carefully set up for ease of use, ensuring all necessary details are collected effectively. If you need to capture additional unique information specific to your leads, you can customize the form. To do this, scroll to the top of the page and click Switch to Designer. This will take you to a page equipped with all the tools you need to design your form. Add the desired field, then click Save to include it in the default form. For example, I'll fill out a sample form. In the title field, you can enter a title that describes or identifies the lead to specify its purpose or nature. The status can be created based on your requirements. I will demonstrate how to create a status, which will assist in identifying the lead and determining the next steps. Once the form is filled, click Save. Once saved, the lead's information will automatically appear on the leads page. I will now demonstrate how to create a status. First, click the Settings button at the top, then select Status and click Add Status. Enter the status name, choose a font color and background color to distinguish it from other statuses, and click Create. All the statuses you create will be listed here. In the general settings, you can select a default status. For example, I have set my default status to New, so when a lead is created, the default status will automatically be New. Similarly, I have set the default completed status to Closed. From here, you can use filters to find specific leads. For more advanced filtering, custom filters can be created by clicking the plus button. If you have collected lead information from an event, such as a tech summit or exhibition, you can import these leads into the system. To do this, click the Import button, download the provided template, fill in the required details, and upload the file. The system will automatically map the data to the appropriate fields, ensuring the information is accurately recorded. Next, you can click View to view the details of the lead. Use the reminder feature to set follow up tasks or actions, ensuring no opportunities are missed. The timeline button provides a comprehensive history of all actions related to the lead, such as its creation and updates. If you need to make changes to an existing lead, use the edit button to modify or add information. If a lead is no longer relevant, you can remove it using the delete button. You can also update a status directly by clicking on the status field here. This process streamlines lead management, allowing you to effectively track, customize, and maintain all lead information within the CRM system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create opportunities in Arupa CRM and how to convert leads to opportunities. Thank you for watching our video on how to create leads in Arupa CRM. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos using different tools in Arupa apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@arupaapps.com. Thank you.